Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to use Telegram without phone number. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can create unlimited Telegram account without using your personal phone number. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to do 2 devices. So this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your App Store or your Play Store and then search for your Telegram. Make sure your Telegram is updated to the latest version. So if your Telegram is not updated, you need to make sure you are using the latest version of your Telegram account. Now once you are done with this, all you need to do is to open your browser. Now with this, we have to verify our account without using our personal contact, so we need an online verification. To do this, all you need to do is to open your Google over here. Once you open your Google, you can see, just search for Temp SMSS. Now once you search for Temp SMSS, just click on this over here, and once you click on that, all you need to do is to select any number that you prefer. You can see so many contacts over here. Now select the one that you prefer. So if you want US number, you can select US number. We have Sweden, we have Poland, there are so many. If you want USA or UK, you can select the one that you prefer. Now once you have selected your contact, just click on receive SMS, and once you click on receive SMS, just wait as it is loading over here. So just go back, just copy the number, and you can see copy over here, and you can see number is copied. Now just copy this number and use this number to create your account. A verification code will be sent, and once you get the verification code, just come here and you can see refresh to view latest SMS. You can see the verification over here. Now with this, use this verification to create your unlimited Telegram account without using your personal contact. Now let me show you another method. You can also click on or search for receive SMS online, and I will advise you to click on the link over here. There are so many. Receive SMS online, you can click on this, the first one, and once you click on that, you can also get unlimited number. You can see the numbers over here. Just click on open number, open this USA number, and then you can see copy number. Once you have copied this number, just click on copy. So once you have copied this number, use this to verify your account, and then you can see over here update messages. Just click on update messages, and you can see the latest messages for your online verification. And with this, you can create unlimited Telegram account without using your personal contact. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video